Good morning, everybody. So, let us continue about our lessons on medicinal plants. Today, we will be discussing about the parts used and medicinal uses of Philanthus Emblica, Longum, Pipernigrum, Ketaranthus Rosias, Tylophora asthmatica, and Azadirachta indica. First of all, coming to Philanthus Emblica. It belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae and the part used is fruits. Emblica, it is also called as Emblica officinalis. So this is Philanthus Emblica, your common amla or the Indian gooseberry. This species is a medium-sized tree with 18 meters height. In India, amla trees are found throughout the forests of tropical Asia. So now coming to the medicinal uses. Amla is rich in fiber, carbohydrate, iron, and it is reported as the richest source of vitamin C. The fruit is also used in combination form known as Triphala in Ayurveda, that is along with Terminalia bellerica, Terminalia cebula and Amla. These three fruits are used as Triphala, a common Ayurvedic medicine. The roots contain glycosides and tannins. The importance of amla is mainly attributed to its strong antioxidant action. Ascorbic content of the fruit mainly accounts for 70% of antioxidant activity, and other compounds having antioxidant properties in amla include gallic acid, methyl galatate, and geranilin. The juice of fresh amla fruit is given as tonic. It is also helpful in dyspepsia, burning sensation in the stomach related problems, diarrhea, jaundice, inflammation, and other complaints of the digestive system. The plant is mentioned in Rasayana, as I told you, in Charaka Samhita, and it is known to prevent aging and promote longevity. Fruits are excellent sources of antioxidants and act as potent scavengers of free radicals. Roots are also used. They are used to cure dental problems. Fruits are known to prevent premature graying of hairs and make the hair strong and free from dandruff. Its regular use improves immunity, protects heart, brain, and other vital organs of the body. So, in brief, it improves immunity and it is used in hair care. It is used to reduce stress, for eye care, respiratory health, treats anemia, blood purifier, diuretic means it promotes urination, improves digestion, absorbs calcium, helps in calcium absorption, an anti-aging agent, improves mental functions, weight management, helpful in weight management and skin care. So, this is the plant Philanthus emblica or Emblica officinalis, or commonly called as amla or Indian gooseberry, belonging to the family Euphorbiaceae, and the part used is the fruits, fresh fruits. Coming to the next plant, Pipernigrum. Pipernigrum belongs to the family Piperaceae. It is commonly called as Hippali in Kannada or Pippali. This is the plant Pipernigrum, Hippali or Pippali, belonging to the family Piperaceae, and these are the fruits. The part used are the fruits. Species of the genus Piper. There are other species also, Piper. These species are important medicinal plants used in various systems of medicine. The Piper longum, this fruit has been used in traditional medicine, including Ayurvedic system of medicine. The primary constituents isolated from various parts of Piper longum are piperine, piperlongumine, sylvatin, sesamin, and many other compounds. This is mostly used to treat chronic bronchitis, asthma, that is the upper respiratory tract infections, the chronic bronchitis, asthma, and constipation relating to stomach, gonorrhea, a sexually transmitted disorder, paralysis of tongue, diarrhea, cholera, malaria, viral hepatitis, respiratory infections, stomach ache, bronchitis, diseases of spleen, cough, and tumors. So, all the respiratory disorders, there are a lot of respiratory disorders, problems of stomach, etc. So, in brief to tell, it manages diabetes, it acts as a shield against infections, it aids in weight loss, relieves menstrual problems, remedies respiratory disorders, promotes digestion, remedies diarrhea, enhances libido or the sexual urge, and it has an effect on doshas. It balances the 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So this is about Piper longum belonging to Piperaceae, Hippali or Pippali, and the part used is fruits. Next, coming to Ketaranthus Rosias, your common periwinkle or commonly called as Vinca rosea, belonging to the family Apocyanaceae, and the part used is the roots and leaves. So this is the plant Ketaranthus Rosias. There are many species. This is roseus. So this is medicinal, as you all know. And this species has long been cultivated for herbal medicine. In Ayurveda, Indian traditional medicine, the extracts of its roots and shoots, though poisonous, are used against several diseases. In traditional Chinese medicine, extracts from it have been used against numerous diseases, including diabetes, malaria, and Hodgkin's lymphoma, a type of cancer. Hodgkin's lymphoma. And many of the Vinca alkaloids were first isolated from Ketaranthus Rosias. And the alkaloids are vinblastine and vincristine, used in the treatment of leukemia and Hodgkin's lymphoma. So in brief, it is a remedy for cancer, it regulates diabetes, remedies respiratory anomalies, manages high blood pressure, BP or hypertension, improves cognitive functioning or the brain functioning, augments skin health, that is, it improves the skin health. So all this is about the plant Ketaranthus Rosias, the common periwinkle plant or the Vinca rosea plant belonging to the family Apocyanaceae. The part used is the dried roots and the leaves. Then coming to Pipernigrum. Pipernigrum belongs to the family Piperaceae, as in case of Piper longum. So they both belong to the same family Piperaceae, and in both the cases the part used is dried fruits. Pipernigrum is commonly called as pepper or Pipernigrum. This is it. It is known as the king of spices. Piper or pepper is known as the king of spices. It requires a specific temperature and rainfall for growth. The part used is small grape-like berries, the dried fruits of the perennial pepper plant. There are many species of pepper. So it is used fresh or ground or in the powdered form. The dried pepper is washed to eliminate the stalks, peels and the stem heads. You must have also heard about white pepper. The Westerners use white pepper because it does not have the skin. It is deskinned. It is a product obtained from berries that are fully ripened and deskinned. Means they are less spicy. So we Indians use black pepper. So in brief, it helps in losing weight, it detoxifies your body, it prevents cancer, it cleanses your intestines and stomach. It consists of potassium that helps in regulating heart rate and high blood pressure, helps in producing red blood cells, rich in vitamin B and produces calcium, good for digestion and good for your hair, it treats depression and helps in treating respiratory diseases. If you get any cold, cough or anything, first thing what you do at home is make a decoction of this pepper along with other spices and drink hot kashaya, isn't it? So it helps in treating respiratory diseases, it reduces joint pain, it also prevents constipation and prevents skin deformation and wrinkles. So all this is about Pipernigrum or your common pepper belonging to the family Piperaceae, and the part used is the dried fruits or dried berries. Then coming to the plant Tylophora indica, or in your syllabus it has been mentioned as Tylophora asthmatica. Tylophora asthmatica belonging to the family Asclepiadaceae. Asclepiadaceae, and the part used is leaves and root. The part used is leaves and root. As the name itself suggests, this is useful for asthma. So in Kannada it is called as Aadu Muttada Soppu. It is called as Aadu Muttada Soppu, Tylophora asthmatica. So people take Tylophora by mouth for allergies. See, this is the plant Tylophora asthmatica. So the part used is the leaves and the root of the plant. Leaves and the root of the plant. So Tylophora is taken for allergies, asthma, cancer, congestion, kapha filling, congestion, constipation, cough, inflamed skin, diarrhea, bloody diarrhea, gas, hemorrhoids, so asthma, cancer, congestion, constipation, cough, inflamed skin, diarrhea, bloody diarrhea, gas, hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids is piles, tender joints, which is gout, yellowed skin or jaundice, joint disorder or rheumatoid arthritis, whooping cough, to make someone vomit and to cause sweating. So all these are the medicinal uses of Tylophora asthmatica, or a synonym Tylophora indica. So in brief to tell, it is used against asthma, respiratory infections, energy booster, sinusitis, and to relieve digestive discomfort for diarrhea and dysentery. So this is about the plant Tylophora asthmatica belonging to the family Asclepiadaceae. It is a climber. As you all can see, it is a climber. Then coming to Azadirachta indica, or otherwise it is called as Melia Azadirachta, belonging to the family Meliaceae. This is your common neem. Neem is Bevu in Kannada. Neem is Azadirachta indica. Note the spelling. Aza is A-Z-A, D-I, Rak, R-A-C-H, Ta, T-A. Azadirachta indica, or synonym is Melia Azadirachta, belonging to the family Meliaceae, and the part used is the bark of neem tree, the leaves and seeds. All are used as medicinal. So as you all can know, this is a highly medicinal plant. There are several uses. It is a highly medicinal plant. It is valued as a medicinal plant and a source of organic pesticides and timber. So it is used for its medicinal properties as a medicinal plant. It is also used as an organic pesticide, and neem timber is also used in construction purposes. For making furnitures also the neem wood is used. The plant has long been used in Ayurvedic and folk medicine, and is used in cosmetics also and in organic farming applications. Nearly all parts of the neem tree are useful, and many of its medicinal and cosmetic uses are based on its antibacterial and antifungal properties. So this plant has got antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral properties also. Neem is commonly used in shampoos for treating dandruff, in soaps or creams for skin conditions like acne, pimples, psoriasis, athlete's foot, etc. It is also a component of some toothpastes and mouthwashes. Especially in the Indian subcontinent, the young twigs are used directly as crude toothbrushes. In the rural areas, they chew upon the twigs of neem in order to make the teeth clean, in order to clean the teeth, because they also have antibacterial properties. As you all know, mouth is full of bacteria, so it is used as an antibacterial agent. So young twigs are used directly as crude toothbrushes. They chew the young neem twigs in rural areas in order to clean the teeth. Neem leaves have long been used as traditional treatment for diabetes, and there is some clinical evidence suggesting that it may help control blood sugar levels. And the neem oil, neem bark and leaves, they should not be consumed by pregnant women because they can cause miscarriage. Oil extracted from the seeds are insect and mite repellent, used as insecticides and also fungicides, and is the source of many commercial pesticide products. Primary active insecticidal ingredient is azadirachtin. It works to disrupt the hormones of the insect, involved with insect molting, preventing larvae from developing properly into adults. And this azadirachtin is also a feeding inhibitor. It inhibits the feeding of the insect pests. The neem oil can kill soft-bodied insects on contact, and it decreases the mating and reproductive behaviors of the insects. It is also used as a fungicide. Neem oil is used to control various fungi like rust, black spot, mildew, scab, anthracnose, and blight, the bacterial. So neem-based pesticides generally have low toxicity for mammals. So they are commonly used in organic farming applications. So to be brief, it is used in skin disease and used in wounds or ulcer, intestinal wounds, loss of appetite, dandruff, ringworm, diabetes, and many other viral diseases and bacterial diseases. So this is about your common medicinal plant, the neem plant, Azadirachta indica, belonging to the family Meliaceae, M-E-L-I-A, Meliaceae, and the part used is bark, leaves, and seeds. These are some of the references. Coming to the MCQ questions, multiple choice questions. Philanthus Emblica belongs to the family. What is Philanthus Emblica? It is amla or gooseberry. It belongs to the family Lamiaceae, Apiaceae, Nyctaginaceae, Euphorbiaceae. So the right answer is Euphorbiaceae. So Philanthus Emblica or amla belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. Next, Tylophora asthmatica is a herb, tree, climber, or a shrub, you can tell. So here it's been by mistake written tree twice. So is it a herb or a tree or a climber or a shrub? Tylophora asthmatica, Adumuttada soppu, which I told you, belonging to the family Asclepiadaceae. It is a climber, balli. It is a climber. Then piperine is isolated from. Piperine is isolated from Piper longum, centella, Phyllanthus or ocimum. So piperine is isolated from Piper longum. A. Piper longum is the answer. Catharanthus Rosias belongs to which family? Periwinkle or Vinca rosea belongs to Euphorbiaceae, Apocynaceae, Nyctaginaceae or Lamiaceae. And the right answer is B. Apocynaceae. Your periwinkle or Vinca rosea or Ketaranthus Rosias belongs to the family Apocynaceae. King of spices is pepper, chili, clove, none of the above. King of spices is pepper. Pepper is the right answer. Neem belongs to the family Verbenaceae, Meliaceae, Acanthaceae, all of the above. Neem belongs to the family Meliaceae. So, Neem belongs to the family Meliaceae. The fourth answer should be none of the above. By mistake, it has been written all of the above. So, Neem belongs to the family Meliaceae. So, this is the end of it. Thank you.